Hey beauty lovers! It's great to have you back on Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty with honest, expert reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that promises long-lasting color and a smooth matte finish, TheBalm's Meet Matt Hughes Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sincere. Whether you're a fan of bold lips or just looking for something subtle yet sophisticated, this might be a product you want to check out. So, let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the product itself. TheBalm's Meet Matt Hughes Matte Liquid Lipstick comes in a liquid form with a matte finish. Designed to be suitable for all skin types, it promises to deliver a smooth, velvety application and a weightless feel. The shade Sincere is a beautiful nude pink that could work well for both day and night looks. The lipstick is known for its non-drying formula, which is a major win for matte lovers. After all, we've all experienced the discomfort of dry, cracking lips when using matte formulas. But does this one live up to its promise? Let's find out. Now, I've had a chance to wear this product several times over the past few days, and here's what I've experienced. The application is smooth and easy, with the liquid formula gliding over the lips without tugging. The wand provides a precise application, which is especially useful when applying such a bold product. Once it dries down, the finish is matte without feeling too heavy. I love how lightweight it feels, almost like nothing is on my lips at all. And for those of you who hate the feeling of sticky lips, this is your answer. Once it sets, there's no transfer and it stays in place for hours. That said, let's talk about wearability. I wore it through my morning coffee, a full workday, and even a lunch meeting, and it held up surprisingly well. There was some fading in the center of my lips after eating, but nothing too drastic. A quick touch-up, and it was good as new. So if you're someone who prefers low-maintenance products that you can trust to stay put, this one delivers. On the flip side, a couple of things to keep in mind. The formula can feel a little drying if you're not careful about prepping your lips beforehand. Exfoliating and moisturizing is a must if you want to avoid any dryness or flaking. Also, while the color is gorgeous, Sincere might not be as universally flattering as other shades. It's a neutral nude that works for many, but if you have deeper skin tones, it might wash you out a bit. You might want to check out a deeper shade if you're looking for something with a bit more contrast. In terms of value for money, TheBalm's Meet Matt Hughes Matte Liquid Lipstick is priced in the mid-range, which is reasonable considering the quality. The pigmentation is on point, the staying power is impressive, and the formula isn't overly drying. Key factors when you're looking for a matte liquid lipstick that lasts. If you compare it to other high-end matte lipsticks, it holds its own. However, if you're on a budget, there are some drugstore alternatives that could give you a similar effect at a lower price point. Now, as far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and compact. It's a simple, easy-to-use tube with a doe foot applicator that doesn't waste product. The overall design feels sturdy, and I don't foresee any issues with durability or messiness over time. As for longevity, a little goes a long way with this lipstick. Even after a few days of wear, the tube still looks practically full. I haven't had any direct experience with the brand's customer support, but TheBalm is generally known for good customer service. If you have any issues with the product, they're typically responsive and willing to help. If you're looking for something comparable in a different price range, there are alternatives like ColourPop's Ultra Matte Lip or Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink, which provide similar finishes and longevity. However, TheBalm's formula is definitely more forgiving when it comes to comfort and smoothness. So, here's the final verdict. TheBalm Meet Matt Hughes Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sincere is a solid choice for those seeking a lightweight, long-lasting matte formula. It's perfect for daily wear, but keep in mind the need for a little extra prep to keep your lips feeling moisturized. If you're someone who loves a good nude pink shade and wants a matte that doesn't dry out your lips, this could be your new go-to. If this review has been helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.